Hey guys, this is Savannah Sanchez, and I'm here today to talk about some really exciting updates to the TikTok ads platform. So today, when I was building out some new TikTok ads, I noticed a really exciting new feature. And this is for more detailed targeting options. So this is amazing news for advertisers who have been wanting to try TikTok, but maybe the targeting wasn't as great as you initially thought it was going to be. So for a bit of context, when I first started advertising for TikTok ads about maybe 3 or 4 months ago, you only had some very broad options for targeting. Like you can target food interest or apparel interest. But what actually makes someone fall into those interest categories is something that I always wondered. Like when I'm on TikTok, I'm not necessarily interacting with one different type of video. I'm not sharing with TikTok any of my preferences, so I always wondered how someone fell into these very broad interest groups. Well, today when I was on TikTok, I noticed something very exciting, and this is for the option for more detailed targeting based off of watch time of certain videos. So you can actually target people who have watched videos in certain categories in the last 7 or 14 days. So this is really cool because this gives advertisers way more transparency into why people are falling into these ad targeting groups, but also they give you much more detailed options. So for instance, I was going through for some of my clients, seeing these cool new detailed targeting features, and one of them was you can target people who have watched outfit videos. So people who are interested in like changing your style, trying on a new outfit. You can say, I want to target people who have watched outfit videos within the last 7, or you can even make it broader and say, I want to target people who watched outfit videos in the last 14 days. So this is really exciting. I just started going through. There was a ton of different categories of what you can target based off of watch. So I would highly recommend testing that. Some other really cool things that have been going on with TikTok ads that I should absolutely mention is new bidding strategies. So before, for e-commerce, you can only bid off of a cost per click target and then eventually bid for a CPA target. But now TikTok is offering automatic bidding. So essentially what this means is that TikTok will choose your bid based off your conversion goal. And I believe in the platform it might be called maximized bidding strategy. And so what that means, instead of setting a target, let's just say I want $1 click and a $10 cost per action, so like a $10 cost per purchase. Now instead, you can just tell TikTok, I want to get as many purchases as possible. I'm not going to let you know CPA. I just want your algorithm to get me the lowest CPA as possible. So I've tested this new bidding strategy. I've actually seen a lot better results using this instead of the regular bidding where you set your own targets. So essentially, by letting TikTok do the bidding for you, setting an automatic bid, I've already seen better results for my clients. So that's a new TikTok update that I would highly recommend. The third TikTok update that I want to talk about is the difference in campaign structure. So one of the main pitfalls from TikTok advertising was that you can only set your ad link on the ad set level. And what that meant is that when you're setting up your ad group and you're picking your targeting, in the ad group settings is where you put your website link. But you couldn't associate a website link with the individual ad. So all of your ads within the ad group had to have the same website, which really isn't effective for advertisers because as marketers, we want to test a bunch of different landing pages, test different links for different ads. But the way that they're set up is that everyone in the same audience had to be assigned to the same website. TikTok is saying no more with that, which is so great. So now it's going to be very similar to, let's just say, setting up a campaign on Facebook or Snapchat where you can put the link on the ad level. So you can optimize your campaigns per audience, so you can still have your same audience settings using that new automatic bidding, but now within that ad group, you can have ads with different landing pages. So I think that's a really great change that TikTok made. It was really annoying me that I had to create new ad sets for new landing pages. So now it can all be consolidated with the one ad group, and I'm already seeing better performance with this new structure. Well, those are my 3 TikTok updates for this month. If you guys have any questions, please leave it in the comments below and subscribe for more content like this. Bye.